Let's debunk some myths. Most wealthy individuals are actually frugal and mindful spenders, not reckless. They focus more on preserving and growing wealth than chasing more. While they may seem immune to financial struggles, they face unique challenges in managing their wealth. The wealthy think differently about money. They often invest in assets generating passive income, like real estate or dividend stocks, diversifying their income streams. They prioritize saving and emergency funds for unexpected expenses. Their budgeting aligns with values and goals. They spend on things improving productivity, health, or knowledge, but are frugal with unnecessary expenses. This mindset shift is crucial for financial freedom. The rich see money as a tool, not a goal. They use wealth to create opportunities, whether for business, education, or supporting causes. This perspective shift from money as an end goal to a means for achieving true goals is vital in wealth building. Continuous learning is key. The wealthy stay informed about finance, reading extensively and seeking professional advice. They surround themselves with like-minded individuals and often seek mentors. Risk management is crucial. While not afraid of calculated risks, the wealthy protect their assets through diversification, insurance, and legal structures. Many wealthy individuals have a strong sense of purpose with their money, setting clear financial goals and plans. This purpose keeps them focused and motivated. Remember, these habits aren't exclusive to the wealthy. Anyone can adopt them. Be frugal and mindful with spending. Focus on preserving and growing wealth. Invest in passive income sources. Align budgeting with personal values. View money as a tool, not a goal. Continuously educate yourself about finance. Manage risks and protect assets. Set clear financial goals and plans.